Formation of image in a plane mirror. Now in this diagram we can see M dash is the mirror. This is the back side of the mirror, which is shown by the oblique slanting lines. This is the front side of the mirror, which is the reflecting surface of the mirror. This is the plane mirror. We have taken object which is on the left side of the reflecting surface of the mirror. The incident ray is seen falling on the point of incidence here. It is the point of incidence A. A is the point of incidence for this incident ray, whereas for this incident ray which is falling on the reflecting surface of the mirror, this is the point B, which is the point of incidence. Normal, which is the perpendicular line from the point of incidence, is also shown here as N. So this is N for point of incidence A and this is N for point of incidence B. Reflected rays are seen going away from the reflecting surface of the mirror. So for this point of incidence A, this is the reflected ray, and for this point of incidence B, this is the reflected ray. The observer is shown here in this case. When the reflected rays are traced backwards, the reflected rays meet at a point. The point at which the reflected rays meet is the point where image is formed. So thus, the image formed by a plane mirror can be seen only by looking into the mirror here. An image of this type which cannot be received. Now this image is actually falling towards the back side of the mirror. So this is actually not a real image, and this kind of image cannot be received on a screen. So the image which cannot be received on a screen is called as virtual image. If an image is received on a screen, then it becomes a real image. So here we have seen, we have taken an object, point object. Previously we have taken extended object also, and real image is obtained on a screen. So for example, the image is formed on a cinema screen is an example of real image. Whereas here in case of plane mirror, the image which is not or which cannot be obtained on a screen is called as virtual image. So this kind of image can be seen only by looking into the mirror. Now in this case we are discussing mirror, so you have to look into the mirror, but this kind of image can also be obtained by using a lens. The example is the image of our face in a plane mirror. So the image which you see in mirror of your face is the virtual image, and the virtual image is just an illusion.